Hi all, it's Cindy. Welcome back. Today we're going to create another quick doodle card. This is a 4x6 on the Arches watercolor cold press paper, and I use Holbein watercolor paints. Use what you would like to use, but those are the colors that I included in with this. I also used Colorcraft Brusho, and in this painting I used some darker green, some brown, some of the alizarin crimson, and the kaboji in violet. So I started this off by just wetting my paper a little bit, and then I'm sprinkling on some of the Brusho powder, and I'm going to wind up using my water and squirt it, and then I'm going to let it run a little bit, and I'll dab this up whatever I need to help stop that process. But look at those green and brown, I don't want to say blobs, but those splatters are absolutely awesome. I love it when I can play with this Brusho, and when I put the water on, it just comes out with this really cool blob. So anyway, I play with this and I'll add the Brusho on. I want some vibrancy, I want to have some texture, and I'm using the powder to give me that texture. I'm using some water on my brush at this point to take the powder that's on there. It's already on this card, and I'm pushing it around. So I'm just using what's already there, and I don't want that powder loose when it's done. So I'll take a brush and I'll just start dabbing away and start playing with the colors and creating extra flowers, whatever detail I want to add in. I don't have any reference photo for this. I am just simply trying to be loose and creative, and what's great about doing this is anyone can do it. I've added enough of the color and the vibrancy in there. It really looks nice, and I can go ahead and start doodling at this point. You can see I spattered some red paint in there, some pink paint actually, and I'm just using this Micron pen. This is a 0.6 size, and try different sizes. When you've got a lot of colors together and you can't see the difference between the flowers, use a heavier, darker pen, but I tend to like a thin line, and I'm just going to continue to doodle and to create the flowers, and they don't have to match what's there. I could see a pink blob, and I don't have to use the pink blob. I could use the pink and the purple blobs. I'm creating rocks right now, and the detail that I'm adding into this, it doesn't match what's there. I'm going outside the lines, I'm thinking differently. You can try different things, and in this type of painting it will succeed. So I like the way my pen ended up. So what I'm doing is adding in some permanent yellow orange. It's one of my favorite colors, and I'm just using a pure paint. I'm not adding anything to it. And this came out, I think it came out pretty well. And this is easy to make, it's quick. Get a party together, share the cost with your friends, And subscribe and like this video if you enjoyed your time, and I look forward to seeing you the next time.